Hi guys, look, this is my dog. Quit biting the camera! Okay. I ain't gonna step in dog poop. Elvis. Elvis! Elvis, come on, Elvis! And he don't want to be talked to yet. Let's go. Okay, you can see this is gonna be a little bit of a, kind of like a shortish, goodish video. There she comes, running out. The other dog, Lacey! What you doing? Lacey, you got the camera wet. Well, like I was saying, this girl right here is gonna be mine, which she already is. Oh, yeah, this is a vlog of our dogs. To share a little bit of our, oh crap, dog. So, hope you have a great day. So, you know, do good. Don't be mad. I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on. The next video will be about a vlog of my front yard, then my backyard, everywhere. But this is my first vlog. I'm kind of excited. Come on, Elvie. You wanna come? You coming? Nah, he wants to go over there. Okay. That's all the dogs we have. We do have a cat, but he always runs off in the woods. So, we'll do all that later. What's she doing? She's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you our field next episode. That's for next episode. Well, this is going to be a 5-minute video. Say cheese to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Dave. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my God, it's a bee. Get off. Oh my God, that was a bee. Oh, thank goodness I killed it. What you doing? What you doing? Quit eating my boat. Yes, we are going to the horse ring later. That'll be next episode. But that's going to be today. And look at this precious. He's got a snipper. Here comes Bella. What do you want? I'm posting this on YouTube. Looky.
Oh. Hey, Ellie. What are you doing? Oh. Yeah?
Do you want to carry this pocketbook, or can you just carry a pocketbook?
I can carry a pocketbook, just like a normal pocketbook. Oh. Go get Daisy.
I already have. Hold my phone while I ride my bike and aim it right up to the mountain. And when it says 5 minutes, quit.
Alright.
Say, it's been 5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes.
Let it go 6, 7.
Alright. Seven minutes. It's 7. I guess. I don't know.
I'm here.
I guess. I don't know.
No, it's 4 minutes, Bella. Alright, now let me see you do something. I'm doing a vlog. So yeah, this is